Okay, the dreaded French knot. I have more students who do not like French knots, but I have to tell you, I love French knots. And I love making loopy French knots. So I'm going to show you a really easy way to make French knots. Hopefully it'll clear it up for you so that you can fall in love with them too. They just are so fun to add this little, I like to just kind of scatter them in a little arc along my pieces. It's just, I just think they're fun. All right, so when you come up, you want to hold your thread with your non-dominant hand. You want to wrap it around the needle. I haven't found it makes much difference whether you go that way or this way. It doesn't really matter. Then you're going to hold this with this finger. Whoops. Hold this thread with this finger on the needle. See how I'm holding it up? Put it in right next to where you came out. Pull this knot down and hold that thread taut. Pull this through. Not so taut that you can't pull the other thread through, but you want to hold it the whole time. And then you have this beautiful little French knot. Let me do it again so you can see it. Again. Hold the thread with your finger. Put it in right next to it. Hold the tail of the thread fairly taut. And pull it through. Fun. Now, to do a loopy French knot, they're way fun. So you start the exact same way. You come up from the back, wrap it 3-4 times, however many times you want. Put the needle back in close, and then let go. When you let go, you allow that thread to be looser, and then you get these lovely little loops. Not so much in the black, it doesn't, I mean, I'm using the black for high contrast so you can see it better on the video, but when you do it in pinks and reds and yellows, it definitely looks more like little flower heads. See? So that's the loopy French knot and the French knot. I hope you love them.